Hi, I'm Sylvia Prada. Now that you've made the decision to sell your property, selecting the right agent to market your home is the single most important choice you will make. Ultimately, the agent you select determines if your home sells, and if it does, at what price. What may surprise you is whether you're in a good market, a bad market, or an average market. 90% of all real estate sold in North America is still being sold by the top 10% of agents. Over the next few minutes, I'd like to show you how working with a professional like me will help you make the sale of your home a smooth and stress-free experience. When we meet, I'll supply you with facts, figures, and proven marketing techniques that will guide you through the selling process. By working together, we'll eliminate any concerns you may have. Buyers are much more sophisticated and knowledgeable than ever before. That's why marketing has become the driving force behind selling any property. The day of putting a sign out front, an ad in the paper, and waiting for a buyer is long gone. It's been replaced by technology that offers us many new marketing avenues. For example, there's Facebook, Google, Twitter, Trulia, YouTube, Realtor.com, and many other websites available. Buying a home is an emotional decision for most buyers, and they will have specific financing or technical questions about your property. You need a real estate professional who has the knowledge and experience to handle the situation fast. Delays in obtaining the right information can cost you a sale, because there are many complex issues that must be addressed properly. Preparing your property to enter the marketplace is another important area. I can help stage your home to give it the competitive edge needed in your market. Also, selecting the best price is crucial. Together, we can determine the best price so you can successfully compete with other homes for sale. Once the price is established, we can review my personal marketing plan that's designed to attract serious and qualified buyers. Often overlooked, but critical to getting your home sold, is marketing to other real estate professionals in the area. This is a direct avenue to reach all of their pre-qualified and motivated buyers. I take the most aggressive approach to marketing and selling my clients' properties. I pride myself on staying on the cutting edge of technology and staying ahead of the ever-changing market. I know what it takes to convince buyers that your home is the best value in the marketplace. It's important that you feel comfortable and confident with my knowledge prior to hiring me. I welcome the opportunity to meet with you personally and answer any questions you may have concerning my marketing plan for your home. Again, my name is Sylvia Prada. I look forward to meeting with you and adding your name to my list of satisfied clients. Thank you.